Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Jessa Brigodelda. Tonight, I would like to present to you verse 1 of Gone Forever, a lyrical poetry which I'm currently writing. But before I go on, I would like to say my acknowledgements. I would like to honor, thank, and acknowledge Great Britain for the language which I'm currently using to word my poetry. Secondly, I would like to honor, thank, and acknowledge the Great Britain royal family for the art and culture of making and presenting poetry to the public. Thirdly, I would like to honor, thank, and acknowledge YouTube, all of the team members of YouTube, for their kind support. Lastly but not least, I would like to honor the Australian government for their kind support also. Verse 1 goes like this. In my dreams, I saw my heart's beat so fast, feeling in my presence, but I saw you